inspo right here.
Wow.
I liked the mini bangs. I like the long pieces, you know, going wispy on the ends. To be honest, I got this picture post me having an idea, having my diagram made. So really easy to create this look. I had 5 different zones. Zone 1 was created from the recessions back to the crown. And then I isolated my fringe, and you can see there, my fringe was just a small triangle. I really wanted to control it. Then I parted from the apex down to the mastoid on both sides, so that gave me a total of 5 different zones. Started in the fringe, kind of like what we did yesterday, and then I made sure that I preserved the length to be able to accomplish this heavy looking fringe. From there, I elevated and found my guide and my choice of length down the true vertical of the head, but I stopped at the crown. From there, I worked horizontally on my back panel, and what I was doing here was consistent lengths on the top, but once I got back into the crown, I started increasing my length by lifting it above. Yeah, so I was working from 2 to 1, 3 to 2, 4 to 3, so on until I got down to the bottom and I had that slight disconnection. On the sides, I just natural fall. So because I preserved all of my length, I had a lot of hair to work with, you know? So I just started texturizing it, started using slide cutting techniques, just picking up my hair, and right where I saw that consistent length, I just started slide cutting it. And that's how I got these nice wispy ends.
You put it to what we spoke about. You literally did what we spoke about, and it was well executed.
Yeah, I have to agree.
And the final result was outstanding.
And I watched you through the process, yeah, and it was very methodical, very clean, very timed well. There was no rush.
Well, everything we spoke about, you did.
Moved from one section to the other. You thought about how they would interact. Bro, as a complete look, it's really good.
Yeah.
Like very strong. I'm very proud of that.
So that's outstanding.
Yeah,
that's.
Harry couldn't split 3, yeah, and we'll speak about it after.
Yeah.
This was one.
Because we had 3 that we were blown away by.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? And this is one of them, and it was outstanding. And you were mindful and you execute. Honestly, blew me away. Not a lot of things blow me away, man, but that was very good.
Well done, bro.
It's an honor.